A pleasant day to you, Sir Ma'am. My name is Miles Padua Lopez from Inmalog, Sison, Pangasinan. I was born on October 23, 1994, and I am 29 years old at this time. I am married and I have 3 children. My first child is 10 years old, my second child is 8 years old, and my third child is 6 years old. I took up Bachelor of Science in Information Technology at Lyceum Northern Luzon. I have served one couple and 3 children ages 5 years old, 3 years old, and a newborn baby. Sir, Ma'am, my duties and responsibilities are cooking, washing the clothes, cleaning the house, and taking good care of the children. Sir, Ma'am, I am willing to take good care of a newborn baby, and I am willing to teach them how to read and write in English. I want to work in Hong Kong for my dreams and for my family. To my future employer, I promise to do my very best and to do my duties and responsibilities to you as my employer, as well as I promise to finish my contract to you, Sir, Ma'am. Thank you and God bless.